Hey Fuso fans, this is Max Truck's Papa, and we're going to be replacing the back of this 2001 Mitsubishi Fuso flatbed, taking the wood out, painting it, sanding it, painting it, and then we're going to put a new bed in. There's Eli, Max Truck 906 guy, and so here we go.
Alright, so we're here with the last stretch of board here that we have to take up. The screws are rotted and rusted and they don't unscrew, they just break off. So we had to just pry the boards up with a pry bar and hammer. And to make that easier, you can see that we cut the boards in each individual row that the frame has, cut them in about foot-long pieces, and that makes it a lot easier. Makes them more free to just be pried up. So we're going to go ahead and take those up now. Cut this last final section here. Now we're just going to go ahead and knock these boards out here.